Haha! Are you a broke college man, woman, boy, or girl looking to make some money online from your dorm room? Well, I have a site that I'm going to share with you today that can help you get that money from your dorm room. So stay tuned. All right, guys. So today we're going to be talking about an easy way to make money in college from your dorm room. So, guys, I'm going to be talking about today how to make money from your dorm room as a college kid or even from your bedroom as a high school kid, guys. This is going to be a game changer. But before we get started, if you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. Give me a like if you like this content. Give me some comments. Let me know what you like, what you don't like, would like to see in the future. And if you have any questions about this content, post it below and I will reply. Now, if you do hit that subscribe button, post below in the comments that you subscribed and I will reply back. All right, guys, so let's get started with today's video. I don't want to waste any of your all's time. I want to be quick with this and show you so you get started today making some money as a broke kid. All right, guys. So where are we starting today? I'm starting over here at this service called Fiverr. All right. So what is Fiverr? Fiverr is a service where you can sell your gigs. Gigs are services that you have, right? So what I'm going to be talking about today, and I want you to watch till the end of this video because I'm going to show you the tool that I use perfectly free, and it's going to be amazing for you. All right. So we're going to be talking about logo design, business cards, and brochures. All right, so I'm going to just run through these gigs real quick, show you how much people are charging for these, and we're going to get going. All right, so graphic design, we come into Fiverr, you create an account with Fiverr if you don't have one, and what you're going to be doing is I would come in and start comparing what current gigs are before you become a seller, so you have some ideas. So we're going to go to logo design. All right, we're going to go to simple logo design, and here you can start seeing, wow, people are starting to making really good money off of selling logos. And guys, look, $15, 321, like 1K, $50. So 15 bucks. All right, so you can come in here and say, okay, I want to go in here and see what these guys are charging. Here's a simple logo that they'll show you some of their work, you know, simple logos. All right. So $50 for a basic logo, logo transparency, high resolution vector file. So now you don't have to provide all this stuff. You could be like, you know what, I want to do a $10 one where I just provide you a JPEG and one logo for 10 bucks and 5 revisions. Okay. And you could sell these things all damn day long because this guy's selling it for 50 bucks. And if you came in for 10 bucks, people are going to go to you, right? All right, so that's one service, right? So we do logos. We're going to go to business cards. We can start looking at business cards. He's starting business card design, 40 bucks. $40 for a business card design. Right here, JPEG, 300 DPI, unlimited revisions. All right, so simple, simple, simple. These are business logo designs, but let's go up here and see if there's any other business card. All right, so business cards. This guy has more of a real business card than the last person. The last person was just a logo, but $50. She has done lots and lots and lots of business card. Look, guys, these are her business cards. $50. Print ready, source file, double-sided, and one concept. $50. This is a $50 gig. You could be doing this all day long and get hit, right? So say I wanted to do this. She's got an order in the queue right now. So there's somebody already waiting to give her 50 bucks. All right. So we can do one for logo design, business cards. We can come down here, flyers and brochures. Now I want to do one for flyers and brochures. All right. Come down here. She's doing trifolds. Just go in here, 15 bucks. All right. 15 bucks, print ready, high resolution. Real simple. Nothing Nothing she has to give to them, no vector files or anything like that. She can do trifolds or bifolds. Guys, this is so easy, right? And when I show you this tool at the very end of this video to do this with, it's totally free. You're going to really be blown. All right. So let's get on with the show. Let's move over to Canva. All right. Canva is what we're going to use to make these images. All right. So the very first thing we're going to do, we're going to go look for a logo design. And what this is going to do is going to take us into the design software, right? Say I want have somebody looking for a design. This is a Sauvignon Blanc wine. This is a lift and press camp. This is a bundle on sports goods. Look, these are already pre-made templates just to give you some ideas, right? So you could come in here and be like, oh, I got some ideas. You can start combining some of these, making simple, clean logos. I mean, it's real easy, right, guys? So that's the logo design. All right. Next thing we want to do is we want to say, okay, we could do logos. How about a brochure? How about brochures? How hard would that be to make a brochure? You come in here. These are free templates that we can use, right, guys? You can edit this to say whatever you want, put whatever image you want here. And I'm going to show you how you can look for images and get all this stuff for you. So this is the front, this is the back, so it gives you your trifold. Now, guys, if you wanted to go in here and say, you know what, I want to put a different picture in here, then you can do that. You can search whatever you want. Trees, you know, and you can go to photos, you can go to graphics, and it's going to show you all kinds of different stuff, right? You go over here to graphics, it's going to show you different things in graphics. So this is pretty powerful just by looking at the templates that you want and selling the templates on Fiverr. All right. So next thing we want to do is look for business cards. So we're going to do business cards. Business cards are right here. These templates are very awesome. All right. So we're going to go in here to templates. We're going to click on this. Here is a business card. Here's the front and here's the back. Real simple, clean. Guys, you can do this over and over and over again. Here's one for food, front and back. So you can get the idea, and here's the image. You can put this image, you could change this out with any image that you want. All right. So what I want you guys to do today is go over to Fiverr, create an account, look at through some of this stuff, become a seller, start promoting gigs for business cards, logos, and brochures. And once you do that, you're going to be all set. All right, guys. So my wish for you today is that you start an account, you come over to Canva, start creating your logos, and you start making money from your dorm room, from your bedroom, or wherever you want today for free. No money. You can do this as a totally broke person. All right, guys. So again, if you're new to this channel, hit that subscribe button. Give me a like. Give me some comments. Let me know what you like, what you don't like, would like to see in the future. If you have any questions about this content, post it below and I will reply. Again, if you hit that subscribe button, post below and tell me you subscribe so I can know and I'll reply back to you. All right, guys. So again, my channel is all about make money online, digital internet marketing, and getting you to that laptop lifestyle so you can enjoy that journey to freedom. All right, guys. Again, peace out. And I hope you enjoyed this video and it gave you some value and you enjoyed what I shared with you today and you start making some money. All right, again, peace out and I'll see you tomorrow on the next video.